No cosine, no labels, on my slow fields. Those tangents C can't handle my flow. Let's go. I wish that revolving regions was easy as pie. I wish I had a better brain so I could simplify. I wish that I could just take an arctan and derive. I wish that I could just add 2 to 3 to get a 5. I was told if I had studied my fears would decay, but now they've increased by C, and there's a test today.
I'm in AP Calc right now and I can't think. I'm in AP Calc and I'm starting to sing. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the teacher taught us to count, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time before we got to May, when we used to love calculus, but now we're stressed out. We're stressed out.
Sometimes finding a prime will break my back and contract my lungs. How come I collapse and cry instead, just solving this problem? Integrating and separating these variables makes me reach my critical point. I'm feeling hysterical. We've learned about both kinds of limits. We're guinea pigs and we are mental exhibits. There should be a L'Hopital's rule that prohibits congesting your brain with concavity tippets. We're down at our minimums and we ain't grinning on what's matter out of AP Calc and ABCs. We all prefer the latter.
My name's Unit Face and I'll give you a sign. My name's Unit Face and I can get a 10. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the teacher taught us to count, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time before we got to May, when we used to love calculus, but now we're stressed out.
Used to multiply, we divide, subtract, and add. We would learn of all the shapes and measure all the sides they had. Used algebra to calculate. Now they're laughing at our face, saying, give up, this calc's the ain't funny. Yeah. Now we use the Rolle's theorem, trying to find the slope. But errors in that formula make us abandon hope. We despise the cross sections that lead to puzzle dejection, and we give up because it ain't funny.
Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the teacher taught us to count, but now we're stressed out. Wish we could turn back time before we got to May, when we used to love calculus, but now we're stressed out.
Now we can derive functions. Use all 89, hope it doesn't malfunction. Do related rates with the ladders on the wall. Less Riemann sums because our accuracy falls. Used to bike around, maximize velocity. The Taylor series free response was an atrocity. Inflection points make me space, but the things I had to face, saying wake up, I'll major in English.
I can't. I'm always stressed.